Assalamualaikum viewers, it's me Nabila here and welcome back to my another cooking tutorial. In this video, I will share with you the recipe of chicken cutlets which you can easily make at home. You can prepare these cutlets for snacks or for iftar. So without any further ado, let's get started. For making these cutlets, firstly we need to boil the chicken. In 2 cups of water, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon soy sauce. To make these chicken cutlets, we need boneless chicken. Once the chicken is ready, we need to shred the chicken. Alright, so let's have a look on the other ingredients that we need to make this recipe. I have taken shredded chicken, boiled potatoes, ginger garlic paste, salt, roasted cumin powder, coriander leaves, green chilies, onions. For coating, we need 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. Viewers, please make sure to check the description box because there I will provide the quantity of each ingredients. So to know the exact quantity, please do make sure to check the description box. Now let's start with the procedure. On a frying pan, I have taken some butter, and now I am adding onions, we need to fry the onions until it becomes soft. So as you can see, the onions are soft now. So I'll start adding the other ingredients. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste, salt and roasted cumin powder and mix everything well. And now I will add the shredded chicken. Keep mixing for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we need to add finely chopped green chilies and coriander. After mixing everything, just put the lid on for 6 to 7 minutes. So we will now add our last ingredient, which is mashed potatoes. After adding the potatoes, mix everything very well. And the entire time of mixing, make sure that the flame is on medium to low. Once we're done with the mixing, put the lid on and in medium flame, just cook it for 5 minutes. So my viewers, it's time to shape the cutlets. So I hope by looking at the video you can see. So these are the shapes of my cutlets. You can give them any kind of shapes according to your choice. It's coating time. Firstly, dip the cutlets in the egg and then coat it really well with the breadcrumbs. Before frying the cutlets, keep them inside the freezer at least for 1 hour. We need to deep fry the cutlets in high flame. And now we're done with the frying. So this is the final outcome. I hope you like this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It's time for me to say goodbye. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Cook, eat and stay humble.